Never caulked before? Let us show you how it's done. Cut the tip on a 45-degree angle and cut open your caulk. Holding only the back handle, pull back the rod and then load in your canister. Press the rod in until you feel it engage, then you can squeeze the trigger until you see the caulk start to fill the nozzle. You can test the size of your caulk bead on a piece of paper before you begin. If it's not wide enough, cut the tip down further. Apply the caulk by dragging the gun backwards across the joint on the same angle you have cut the tip, pulling the trigger gently as you go. Work in a small section at a time and try to keep your caulk bead even and regular. Then dip your finger in warm water and gently run down the caulk to smooth it over and push into the gap. You can also add a little dishwashing detergent to the water you're dipping your finger into, which can help with achieving a smooth, even finish. If there is any excess caulk, once it has been smoothed over, you can then wipe it over gently with a damp cloth.